Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I implement 5S in our house, specifically in my room, in order to develop a healthy working environment. So without further ado, let's get started. Right now, I'm in my room and I'm going to show you my desk. Please don't judge me. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I would declutter. I would remove things that I no longer use. I would remove things that no longer serve a purpose to me, and lastly, I will remove trash. Just like this bottle, this perfume bottle from Chloe, this no longer serves a purpose for me. That is why I am going to throw it. So the second step is straighten or sit-on. In this step, we will be going to arrange the things where I can easily find it and then put it somewhere where it really belongs. Like a lot of pens, and I also have here on the floor. And hey guys, update. So I put almost all of my pens here at my table, and most of these pens I don't normally use anymore. That is why I'm going to put those here in an ABS-CBN TV Plus box, which contains pens also. Gonna put the box here temporarily. So like what I've said, I really have a lot of pens or color pens, and I'm going to sort it out again. Step is shine or say so. In this step, I am going to remove the dust on my desk, sweep the floor and mop it. Step is standardize or seikatsu. In this step, I will be going to create a checklist and things to do in order for me to maintain being clean and neat. So the last step is sustain or shitsuke. This is for me to challenge myself in maintaining cleanliness at all times, and in order for me to focus and in order for me to be efficient in doing my task. So before I end my vlog, I would just want to show you a little montage of the before and after of my workspace. I do hope that everyone would be encouraged in doing this.
Don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
So that is it for my video. I hope you guys liked it, and see you in my next video.